Quick updates for Etherna. With my customer set, we're more than okay. Try to open long positions. So some of altcoins today perform pretty good. And I think ENA has all chances to hit at least the 50 EMA. It's 11 cents and 1570. We can double check, by the way, the Etherna on this one on HTX. And here is still not invalidated idea. So it's kind of like a magic, but take a look. This is it. And yes, the intuition accumulation pump model, what we track since this token exists and listed on centralized exchanges in April 2024, the model is still relevant. And congrats everybody who waited. The best zone to buy at least accumulated 1477 and 1941. No rush. And if you bought it here, for example, up to you, you can accumulate even more. If, of course, you believe in it, Etherna, or wait the sweep of the listing price and the new low, 6 cents. I'm not touching any tokens, like remember, for the spot position. Now I'm just a scalp and the trader with some swing position or intraday trades, because I am more than enough with the backs of useless altcoins for spot. So weekly time frame, guys. Yes, we got all chances to drop again lower, but I hope we will not drop. But yes, it's just in case it's possible to see the drop over than 35%. So if BTC now forms some like a cat bounce and rush it down again in April, I think yes, we have all chances to see the altcoins bloody more. But the positive moments about BTC, I explained it in the video just a few days ago. So I recommend you just go and check how it playing out. So the last 2 times when the United States starts some invasion into some countries, with a military operation on land. So not airstrikes, just double check the zone 3 and 91, I guess. I'm correct. So we trade so under volume, under fundamental value of the week on the weekly time frame. It's 20 cents, 21 cents is a fundamental value of Etherna, and this is a take profit line 56.41. Maybe we will form this bounce, and form the rejection again after that we crush it down like a third wave down. So we usually like 1, 2, 3. From the new low and start rebound with a new cycle. And I hate this word, the cycle. Maybe the cycles never even exist because all patterns of the BTC, it doesn't work anymore. So this zone, anyway, I still think we can reach. It's not some hopium or so. I think, yes, if everything will be okay with Etherna and we'll not see some crash because of stable coins, because I don't like the tokens which relate to and have something around the stable coins, because only United States can allowed to print the USD. So guys, be careful with this type of tokens. You remember the Luna and USD. So just in case, guys. This is a 1477, 1941. It's still a relevant zone where we can retest it because like you can see, we're so underrated now. Based on daily time frame, we also try and hold a line around the buy line. We usually move from the one, EMA to another one. So on a daily, we're ready to retest at a 50 EMA. So the next target is going to be here. The lines are dynamic. So now it's 1565. So it's 100 EMA. I think we can form something like this one, take profit, even invalidate the idea, and all after that form some, not like double bottom, but grab the liquidity at the bottom this summer, right? And after that, start to build the uptrend structure. To talk about uptrend structure on a daily, we need to break at least over than 200 EMA, 24 cents. This high of January 24. If we talk about the daily break off structure on the weekly time frame, of course, the targets is way higher. It's around here. So of course, we can count maybe this one like the last impulse down. So this like 26 cents. So maybe. Anyway, sooner or later, guys, we're going to retest that 50 EMA and 100 EMA. So now I think, of course, we can't know what will happen next with Etherna in the next few years, but I think if market Reverse, right? I think 9 cents, it's more than okay to buy. Invalidation, it's a 6 cents and open space on the, because of the StarkNet, the IAVO already here under the listing price zone. Nobody know where the token will stop. The same story with the optimism, I guess. So take profit at zones I showed you, trade on. What I don't like, guys, and I explained it in a previous video, we still didn't see the signal take profit from the sell. So this one, alert, I added the triangle up. So let's add another one, alerts the take profits from the sales. So we need to see this one, money back, this symbol is going to be the positive signal for reversal move. Now, virtually still not yet. The other indicators, ADZ direction, guys. Now for the spot, I think more than okay to buy. For the futures, we need to go to the daily time frame and check. This is definitely not a distribution zone, so this is pure divergence. Huge divergence, guys. Take a look. Just take a look of this divergence here. So this was a low, the biggest accumulation ever in June 24 here. And we drop, of course, down, and after that, rebound. People think, oh, it's not enough, guys. It was a pretty good bounce, like 252%. And we formed, after that 2 years, almost the 2 years, we formed the biggest divergence ever. And you can see, even without the lines, this is a pure divergence. Nice one. All right, this is a bottom on direction, but I'm still without any signals to buy. That's why, guys, no rush. By the way, the BTC probably going to close the 6 months in a row, a red, and this is another example. So old patterns absolutely stop working. Now, this is a capitulation on a weekly time frame, so it's good time for accumulation, even for the spot or the futures, so you can try it. Some news for Etherna. Breakout alerts, Etherna token unlock is happening, and it's not affected the price. Price outlook, it was in February, all right, so it's old news. So let's double check, guys, with the money power. Do we have some institutional going to the game? Some buys was here on a daily, weekly, now nothing. So 1, 2, 3 weeks of accumulation around the 10 cents. Some of big guys, it's a capital. We can't know who accumulated in this area, but the money power always shows this data. So in this 1, 2, 3 weeks, somebody accumulated with a big volume, big inflow. And I already explained it. So institutional absolutely don't care about a timing. So they can accumulate, for example, at 10 cents. After that, sell double X, so at 20 cents, and be happy. Because if you invest 1K, it's one side. If you invest 1 million and with a 100% profit is 1 million from the air. That's a big difference, guys. That's why this cycle, this period, let's call it this period, is going to be totally different one. And if some altcoin from current prices give you the 100%, just usually withdraw initial deposit and leave just the free tokens, it will be not a mistake. So money power, no money inflow now. So the last money inflow was here in at the end of the February. Now nothing. So in March, no money inflow. I wish to see on the daily, on the 12 time frame, some money inflow. For example, today is a Tuesday, so usually we can see the money inflow on Thursday and the Friday. After that, the correction on the weekends and a continuation the beginning of April. So this is just like a range. So nothing special happening now in a chart of Etherna. And trading session, guys, I would like to double check the yearly open because we usually come back and test that yearly open. And let me check. So this is a all session weekend height, yearly open and monthly open. So what we can see, the yearly open for Etherna, guys, is 20 cents. So this is what I told you. If some big guys accumulated in February at 10 cents, be ready to fix some profit at a yearly open test. So usually they definitely fix some profit. So if we count, for example, from that low to this low, from that high to this low, approximately it could be the 78. Let's hide the first FIB. Yes, this could be the 61 low by FIB. So I think it's more than real to see. So in the next upcoming days, guys, be careful, and with a short position, be careful because we can see the short squeeze. if we talk about a potential long, yes, I think here is more than okay to try even open long, because guys, or we drop and form the new low, right? Or we get a like stop loss 9%. 9% was the second leverage against there, where that yearly open, this one. 9% against 246. Pretty good one. Guys, I hope you like this video. If you'd like to trade with my customer service, I will show it in this video. Just write in the DM. Don't forget, Joe Montecom Show. See you next time, guys.